through a truck and a dragon.
It takes more than just being online.
Okay, testing 1 2 3. Okay, welcome ladies and gentlemen to the PNG Pacific Capital live streams. We are going to go ahead now, break down okay, we have 10 minutes until this 1 hour candle, this 4 hour candle closes, so we're gonna go through, do a quick rundown of a top-down analysis, starting on the, just put this down a bit, starting on the daily time frame on the left-hand side of our screen. So looking at the daily time frame, we have yesterday's daily candle close below this minor. Okay, let me just record this. Okay, looking at the daily time frame to the left, we have this previous daily candle close below this minor support level on the daily time frame at 1836. We have the current daily candle doing what looks like a top wick on the daily time frame. If we respect 1836, then we could potentially have a wick fail of the previous yesterday's daily candle coming down to the lows, potentially coming down to 1830. So we might have some bearish volume coming in at this point. As that, looking at the 4 hour time frame on the right hand side of our screen, we can clearly see that we have resistance formed, our most recent resistance area at 1837, which is right here. We have the current 4 hour candle closing in the next 9 minutes, so I doubt price is going to come up above this resistance area in the next 9 minutes. So yeah, heavily bearish for the daily regarding the daily time frame and the 4 hour time frame. So previous 4 hour candle closed bearish, current 4 hour candle doesn't have much of a bullish indication of any volume. So if we have confirmations on the lower time frame, it could potentially come down to 1830 and then potentially lower to 1825, 1826 area right over here. Dropping down to entry time frames, looking at the 1 hour time frame, we have the current 1 hour candle closing in the next 8 minutes, looking to close back below 1837, back in this range. If we do close back in this range, we could anticipate the next 1 hour candle to drive bearish coming down to 1833, which is the most recent support level on the 1 hour time frame. So that's something we're going to be looking at. Don't want to be looking at the 30-minute time frame because yeah, I think there's a little bit of noise on the 30-minute time frame. So we're going to be focused on the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame at this point. Yeah. So at this point, just going to be waiting for the 1 hour candle close, as long as we close below 1837. So we have this current 1 hour candle closing in the next 7 minutes. So that's what we're looking at this point. Yeah. Okay, we have this 1-hour candle closing in the next 2 minutes. We get a nice closure below 1837. I think the next one could drive down at this point. There we go. Yeah, I think just execute it right over here. Half risk, only because the previous forward cannot close bullish, so executed a nice small entry over here. Stop loss above the candle wick high at like 23 pips. Stop loss. Yeah, stop loss gonna be down over here. Sorry, target. Target is gonna be at the resistance level at 1833. Yeah. So. So the first trade was based on the 1 hour time frame. The second trade is if we get some confirmations on the 5-minute time frame or potential good structure from the 5-minute time frame for us to take sales, then we're gonna execute the second half of our trade over here. So that's that. So we just have to wait and see how this plays out. If we get taken out, then that's pretty much our only trade for the session. And yeah. Hey folks, what's up, bro? No worries, brother. This is pretty much a high risk trade, so decided to half my risk on this one. This is not my full risk. If we get some decent confirmations on the lower time frames, then we're gonna look to increase our risk. I mean, add our risk, but it is pretty much what it is.
Terry White Chemmart has real deals on all your favourite brands, like 50% off ethical nutrition.
Okay, just added my full risk over here. And this is gonna be our trade for agent session. Scaled in right at 1836.54. 1836.54. So this is where our full risk is at. Right here. Stop loss above the previous 1-hour candle. Anticipating price to come down to this resistance area. And continue to fill these wicks down over here. Just adjusting our TP level. We have two positions running. Both will count as one trade. So we have, because we're trading back in his range, we're gonna be looking to secure profits. But if, yeah, whatever happens, happens. This is gonna be our trade for agent session. So. and we're also anticipating the current forward candle to respect the previous forward candle's high. So that's that. Amazing, 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 amazing. Oh, okay, there we go. We have the current one kind of looking to flip bearish at this point. Looking at the 5-minute time frame, we are breaking below the previous 5-minute candle low. Breaking below the previous 5-minute candle low at this point. This could be an opportunity to get in on another trade right over here. Another scaling, but it is Asian session. Full risk at this point, so just gonna let this one run. There we go. Starting to have that bearish drive now. Because it's Asian session, volume is a little bit low during Asian session, so one of my rules for Asian session is I always have to secure profits at 10 pips. So that's what we're gonna do for this trade. If it plays out in our direction. So that means if our entry is at 1836.54, we are going to be securing profits at around 1835.64. Yeah, 1835.64.
seen all of the Fast and the Furious movies. It's all about family! Family! Guys, we practiced this.
Introducing the star of our show. Woo! His name is
Shazam!
Shazam! Fury of the Gods.
'Cause it feels right.
Look at that. We have 24 minutes until this 1 hour candle closes, and I don't think we really have much volume in this 1 hour candle. Hopefully we can come in on the back end of the hour. That would be ideal. Oh look, it's moving now. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Just secure profits right there. 10 pips. Our stops are pretty much. It's pretty much a break even right now. Amazing session. And just go take him back out of break even after securing profits. So that's that. Pretty much done for Asian session right now. Yeah, we secured 10 pips of profits at yeah. Secured 10 pips profits. Price came back up, took us back out of break even, and calling it a session at this point. Amazing. Amazing session. Anyways, cheers, guys. I'll catch you guys. I'll try to catch you guys during London session. I'll try to make time for London session. Got some runs to do, and we'll be back once. I'd like to see how this 4 candle closes right here, because we're pretty much in his range. If this current 4 candle right here drives down, closes like this, we could anticipate the next 4 candle to drive bearish. If this 4 candle closes bullish, we can expect the next 4 candle to drive bullish also. Either way, we have clean traffic on either sides. We have clean traffic going up above 1837, all this range coming up, and we also have this clean range coming down if we break below the support level over here. So I think we're gonna have a nice London session. So if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Give a like on the channel for a nice win on the session. So hopefully we can come back during another session and catch some more decent trades. So cheers, guys.